everyone, are you searching for spacious, modern, and well connected 2 BHK flat for rent in Hoodi Bangalore? Look no further. This ready to move home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and a prime location. Come step into the beautifully designed 2 BHK flat for featuring a spacious living room with a elegant interiors. This home comes with a two well-maintained bedrooms offering the big space, built-in wardrobes and larger windows for the refreshing atmosphere. And this is a beautiful dining area. It's just perfect for family meals and gathering together. Just look at the space. And overall flat you have very good ventilation. And this is your modern modular kitchen with a big storage space and sink countertop and a high quality fitting makes cooking an absolutely pleasure. And this apartment is a part of gated community. So you feel safe and secure. And this flat features two well-maintained bathrooms with a modern fitting, geysers and a cleanly designed. And ambience like 24 by 7 security available, 24 by 7 water facility, 24 by 7 power backup, 24 by 7 lift available, gym, swimming pool, parking area, clubhouse and kids playing area. Ensure the premium lifestyle for you and your family. Plus, you have private balcony offering the beautiful city view just perfect for your morning coffee or evening relaxations. Then, nearby locations Hoodi Metro Station, Columbia Asian Hospital, ITPL Tech Park, Phoenix Mall, VR Mall, Oran Uptown Mall, and schools and colleges. Now, let's talk about the most important part pricing. Rent it's just 35,000 plus 4k maintenance per month with a deposit of 1.5 lakhs. So, call now to book a visit. It's just limited availability. If anyone interested in this beautiful 2 BHK, please contact this number or WhatsApp this number today for more details. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. If you want more rental updates, please subscribe to J Rental Properties and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your dream home is just a call away. Okay? Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. See you again next video. Tata bye.